We are at Amazon Fulfillment Center here in New Jersey, and today we're gonna change this fabric on this awning. So we're gonna use the same frame, and just replace the fabric. We're gonna use the Sunbrella premium quality fabric for this awning.
In this video, we'll show you a fabric stretching method that uses ropes to attach the material to your awning frame. It's a great solution if you'd prefer not to remove the frame during installation. When you order new fabric from MG Sign, you'll receive a fully prepped product, complete with everything you need to install it. Since we're using the rope stretching method in this example, the fabric comes with pre-installed grommets for easy attachment. Start by unfolding the fabric and identifying the front side. Depending on the size of your awning, we recommend having 2 people for a quicker and smoother installation. At the top edge of the fabric, you'll find a plastic tubing. This tubing slides into a channel that's likely already installed on your awning frame. Simply insert it all the way through to secure the top edge in place. Once the fabric is evenly draped and aligned with all sides of the frame, it's time to begin the stretching process. This step is key to ensuring a clean, professional look with no wrinkles or sagging. You'll receive a rope along with your awning kit. This is specifically designed for this installation method. Starting from one corner, thread the rope through the grommets along the edge of the fabric. At the same time, loop the rope around the back side of the frame to create tension. As you work your way around the awning, continue tightening the rope gradually. This helps distribute the tension evenly and keeps the fabric centered and smooth. Take your time with this step. Tight, even tension is what gives the awning a crisp, finished appearance. At MG Sign, we're focused on helping you achieve perfect results every time. Whether you're refreshing an old awning or installing a brand new one, we make the process simple, smooth, and tailored to your needs.